also remains on the poster war in Punjab between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu. A panel has been constituted. They've also submitted the partial report to Sonia Gandhi. But meanwhile, we have a reaction from Captain Amrinder Singh's daughter, who says that he very much will contest in the upcoming elections from Patiala, and she will also actively campaign for his father.
देखो कैप्टन साहब लड़नगे मैं उन्हां वास्ते फिर भी कम करूं मेरे फादर पटियाला तो लड़नगे मैं उन्हां नाल कम करूंगी देखो कैप्टन साहब लड़नगे मैं उन्हां वास्ते फिर भी कम करूं मेरे फादर पटियाला तो लड़नगे मैं उन्हां नाल देखो कैप्टन साहब लड़नगे मैं उन्हां वास्ते फिर भी कम करूं मेरे फादर पटियाला तो लड़नगे मैं उन्हां नाल कम करूंगी.
My colleague is joining us live on this story. He's been tracking each and every development that is taking place in the state of Punjab as far as this poster war goes. Amandeep, there you heard Captain Amrinder Singh's daughter, who is confirming that he will be contesting in the upcoming polls. She will also be actively campaigning for him. So his political plans stand in place despite all that's been going on these past few days.
Exactly, Christine. Captain and Captain's family never left Patiala. They have never abandoned the Patiala constituency. Either it is the general elections, either it is the assembly elections. Parneet Kaur, Captain's wife, she is the member of parliament from Patiala. And in fact, Jainder Kaur is the one who actively campaigned for Parneet Kaur in 2019 general election. And she is very much active in Patiala. All the local politics and all the development work of Patiala is being monitored by Jainder Kaur. So that is why she has given a very strong conviction that Captain will definitely contest from Patiala, and this is a very strong reaction against that poster that Navjot Singh Sidhu's supporter flashed in Patiala, that Punjab wants Sidhu. And in fact, this against that poster, this is the reaction from the family of Captain Amrinder Singh, and that matters a lot in the political terms. And in fact, the captain himself and the captain's wife Parneet Kaur has also advised Navjot Singh Sidhu go and take care of their own constituency. So one by one, Christine, if we just understand the entire scenario, if we just connect all the political dots in the Congress party, what is happening in Punjab, so Captain is somewhere that is a very heavy leader of Congress party in Punjab. So that is the reason the 2017 assembly election was fought on the face of the Captain. But now certain leaders wanted to change the leadership in Punjab. That is somewhere down the line is not being happening in the Punjab, and even the High Command has ruled out this, that Captain is not going to be shifted from his post. Maybe Sidhu adjusted somewhere to the political Congress politics, but Captain is not going to be replaced by any of the party leaders. That is the reason Pratap Singh Bajwa, who always advocating against the Captain Amrinder Singh, he's lobbying in a very strong manner in a High Command, and in fact he was demanding to change the leadership from Captain to any other leader, and even KC Venugopal has jumped into it. But the ground reality, Christine, from this bite and from the posters, the ground reality reveals that the people is still demanding Captain for 2022. And in fact, those who are Congress supporters, those who are MLAs, Congress MLAs, ministers, even the Youth Congress, even the NSUI, they all are together advocating for the Captain. But one poster has created this war, poster war, and this is the reaction, very strong reaction from Jainder Kaur to Navjot Singh Sidhu. Yes, Christine.
Absolutely. So Captain Amrinder Singh's daughter for the moment saying that Captain will be contesting the upcoming polls from Patiala, but interestingly, Navjot Singh Sidhu has also shifted his base of political activity from Amritsar to Patiala. Let's see how this plays out, since the 3-member panel has also submitted the partial report to Sonia Gandhi. Thank you, Amandeep, for getting us those details.